Yep.
Okay. It is the 24th of July, 2025. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up.
Yeah.
You ready, Lauren?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, it's Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week, I did some more. I'm just trying to remember what. Um, Mostly, I was, yeah, checking out videos. Oh yeah, I did check out. I watched a video about using uh, one of the terminal AIs, Warp terminal AI, and also I bought a multimeter. I still need a 9-volt battery. The one I got is a 9-volt battery, which hard to get these days. And I'm looking into a rechargeable 9-volt. I don't have a recharger for a 9-volt, but do have a question of the electronics people if that's going to work, or should I just use a non-rechargeable for the multimeter? And we can talk about that in crosstalk. Coming week, again, I want to do something a little more substantive, but uh, I also want to keep searching for a quick way to move ahead, uh, and the state of the art and so forth, with containers or whatever. ROS still seems to be the way to go, and blocks are. Yeah, we're still running out of water all the time at the garden. So there's a lot of sediment, and it just gets stuck it's a long pipe because we're a supplementary garden to the main community garden, but we're about a half kilometer or more away, and the water is coming from there, but also this little pond, and there's a lot of sediment. So it means dragging some water over to the garden or something, and I'm on the water committee. And also, just summer in general. So that's it for me.
Okay. You ready, Dave?
Yeah, the main thing I got accomplished that has any relationship to inventing or anything like that is that I did perfected my little eye cover things that I mentioned, for the red light beds that I'm in. It had this blinding red light and everything that goes through the sleep mask and everything else. It's basically like a oblong hollow sphere, and I put a little hole here, which I think you can see, that will enable you to tie the two together with a string or something, so it can go across your nose like that. And so anyway, I printed out a bunch of these things. I haven't actually managed to get to the gym and test it, but I have laid on the bed and it seems to work fine. And it doesn't seem to let any light through, unlike the sleep mask or anything else. And other than that, it's been, the usual busy week with lawn care and everything. And today I was trying to change the water filter in my refrigerator, and it can't get the new one in there, so I know how ice the water in my refrigerator. Uh, it's just been a really bad day here. But I guess I really have nothing else to report. I don't think I did any significant technical shopping or anything like that.
What's happening next week?
I did. I got a new Fire tablet, which has Kindle on it, And so now I'm trying to get around to reading some of my books that I've downloaded on things like AI and stuff like that. I'd really like to get into experimenting with I think it's called narrow AI, which is where you give it a very specific problem. It's not like Alexa that just gives you all sorts of information, shallow information about a broad range of subjects. It's more like a specialist that you can give it a problem and have it solved or something. I'd really love to get into doing some research on that, and I've got a couple of books on that in there. But I haven't gotten to it, but I have gotten them onto my fire. So that's a little bit of progress on that.
Okay. It's Michael Olchuk, Western Canada. Nothing to report for this week. Didn't get anything done on the containers or the Docker containers, which is what I was hoping to do. And hoping to next week. Next week looks pretty open. All I've got to do is the normal mowing the grass and doing groceries and that kind of stuff. I don't have anybody visiting, which is nice for an entire week. So that's probably what I'm going to be doing. No, I have no what's that called? Lauren, help me out. It's the improvement for this week. You are muted, Lauren.
Process improvement?
Process improvement. I don't have a process improvement. Okay, so Lauren, you want to go with your retro?
Yeah, sure. So I'll give myself a 6, as a team a 9, and a process improvement. Kind of to start to think about the September again, possibly what we'd like to do, get going in September, and yeah, that's me.
Okay, Dave, what's your retro?
Well, I'll maybe give myself I'll be generous and give myself a 4 for my little eye shadow thingies there, and getting the iPad up there. I'm afraid that I was interrupted when Warren was talking about what he did, and so I didn't quite catch all that stuff. And you can catch me up on it later. My girlfriend came in and asked me to help her with something, but so I'll give the team maybe a 7 or something. Probably more if I had heard all of the stuff that Warren got accomplished.
All right. I'm going to give myself a 2 because I didn't get any of the stuff done that I was going to get done. But I did actually give Lauren some feedback on his new meter. So I guess that pretty much team. I'm going to go with an 8, I guess, and that pretty much wraps it up. I will stop recording, or do you want any of this recorded, Lauren? And you're still muted, Lauren.